friends, Running Kimono here. So a little different sort of a video this morning. I know that you're probably expecting me to run through the store and show you the best deals, and I'll do that later today. But I wanted to talk about this, the 10 back when you spend 50. You can do that on the Walgreens app only, and stacking it with our new booster of 7 back when you spend 30. The top one expires on Monday, so I think tomorrow 50-50 shot is probably going to be gone. So I just whipped up a couple deals this morning to do them as curbside pickups. You hit the box on the left-hand side with the red check, order this stuff through your cell phone, desktop, computer, tablet, you pick, and then you drive to the store and pick it up and then go get it at the photo counter or get them to drop it off to your car. That's called a curbside pickup. But if you are just dying for these in-store deals, visit the video that I made yesterday that was published. And I think there's also a promotion to spend 15 on P&G. You're getting an extra $5. Operative word, though, is spend, so just be mindful of that. Yet to go to the store and test this stuff out, but in the app there's a spend 15 on select P&G items, earn back $5 in Walgreens cash, and it's actually tagged in the app if you go below the digital coupons. So if you don't like any of what I have prepared, that's a way around it to find extra stuff. Store, it's printing out a register reward, and because the word spend is in there, I think for the balance you're going to have to pay for the balance because the word spend is there. But somebody might test it out and it might be completely different. So we'll have to test that out here early this afternoon. First deal I want to touch on is you need your two best friends loaded, which is the 10 back when you spend 50 in the Walgreens app. Please pay attention to that. That expires on Monday. So we got to do this, pairing it with the 7 back when you spend 30. We're going to grab two of these high value Tide products at $15.99, a pods and a liquid. Now I want to point something out. The regular pods or liquids that we get, that's usually $12.99 on a sales week. I saw it at $13.49 this week. So is that a new price point up there at Walgreens? Anyhow, we're buying two of these very expensive ones at $15.99 a pop. The following digital coupons that include a $4 off for the liquid. I mean, it's a little bit more than a $3 one that we usually get, and then a $4 one for the pod. So hey, at least it's a little bit of something. The next thing that you're going to do, guys, is grab a couple of the Gold Bond products that are spend 20, get back 10. So a lotion at $7.79. And then a more expensive lotion at $12.49. So that'll get us right to the $20 mark, and we have one digital coupon which is $1.50 off the Gold Bond for that. Also going to throw in two of these generic Walgreens toilet papers as we have a coupon code that we're utilizing with this curbside offer. So the overall coupons, we have a $4, $1.50, WAG 10 taking off $4.65, and an extra $4 off right there. The overall basket is $56.24 with WAG 10 $4.67 coming off. It still leaves us at the magical $50 mark at $51.57. Curbside pickup is free, tax is there, and $9.50 in digitals melting off, $8 for Tide and $1.50 for the Gold Bond. $45.16 you're going to have to pay with your debit card. I know that is quite a bit of money. And then you're getting back $32.68. Not factoring in the tax, it basically shakes this out to $1.56 per product if you include the two toilet papers, the two Tides, and the two Gold Bonds. Once you get your receipt too, I think there might be a $2 rebate for the Gold Bond on Shopmium, and then IBOTTA might have a rebate as well. So what a deal. Okay, the next deal that we have is deal number 2. You need your two friends loaded, the 10 back when you spend 50 and the 7 back when you spend 30, two boosters, the top one expiring on Monday. I don't even know if it's going to be able to work on Monday, so let's try and make hay when the sun is shining, as they say. So we're just going to grab two of these Olay face creams for $21.98. And we have this, which is a 10 off of 2. Now, even though this is saying that it's going to give you back $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy two, as we're going to be grabbing more of the Tide, we're only getting $5 back. We're not going to get back 10. We're going to grab two of these guys at $15.99 a pop, and then we have two $4 coupons that we're going to load. So right there with the 10 for the Olay and then $8 of Tide coupons, that's like $18. So I think you know where this is going if you can line this one up. So it's just a really terrific deal. And just to show you the little chorus line that I was talking about, and we're going to use WAG 10 again for $360 off, and then the $18 in digitals. So the overall total is $53.96. WAG 10 is taking $360 off. Curbside pickup is free. Tax $18 off. You're going to pay $35.38 with your debit card, and then get back $22 and 53 cents. Now, not factoring in the tax, as every single state has a different tax, this isn't a bad little deal. You know, it's like $10 for this basket. That includes 4 night creams, or 2 night creams and 2 detergents. Not a bad deal. Now, before I take off, Kate was on my video around, I think, like 4 or 5 in the morning saying, where's the Dove coupon? Just to give you a little tip, the coupons typically show up anywhere between 7:30, 8 o'clock on Sunday. They're not going to show up at the wee hours of the morning. I think Dollar General is the only app that does that, but they all did show up around 8:30 this morning. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.